Welcome back, everybody. Mr. Short, this is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 3, Lesson 10. Hey, do me a favor real quick. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit the like button for me. I would greatly appreciate that. If you have some friends at different schools, because they're also using Eureka Math Squared, let them know about Mr. Short's videos. Maybe it could help them with their homework too. All right, let's look at today's assignment. We're doing Lesson 10 homework. This is on pages 67 and 60. Oh, just 67 today. Nothing on the back. You guys got lucky today. All right, first, last name, class number. Get it up there. Number 1 says circle the shapes that show 2 equal shares. So two equal shares. That means there can only be 2 pieces, and they need to be equal. Equal means the same. So same size, same amount. All right, let's look at this. So 2 pieces. Let's look at all the ones that have 2. This one has 2. This one has 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. So this one's out. So now they need to be equal, which means they need to be the same size. Are the green and the blue here the same amount? I don't think so. How about this orangish, red, I don't know, reddish, orangish color? And the blue, do those look like the same amount? No. How about this golden color and this purple? Yeah, I'd say those are the same. How about over here? We have that gold color getting a blue. Does this look like it's the same amount? If we took this piece out, could we put it on top of it and be the same amount? I think so. We already got rid of this one because it's 3 pieces. Green and purple. Does the green one look like the same size as the purple one? No. All right. The blue and the gold. Do they look like they're the same size? I would agree. And the last one, the burnt orange. I don't know, red orange? Not sure what that color really is. And the purple, the 2 triangles. Do they look like they're the same amount? They do. Good job on that. Number 2 says, what unit describes the 2 equal parts of this shape? Think about what you went over in class today. I'm not going to help on this one. But remember, what unit describes the 2 equal parts of this shape? Remember what that is. Write it on the line. Number 3, partition each shape into halves. Shade and label 1/2. There's so many ways we could divide this one up. I mean, here's a little, that shape looks the same. So we could divide it maybe this way. We could divide it this way. We could go from this corner up. We go from this corner up. That's about all the ways we do. So pick which one you like the best and make sure you color in. So I'm going to help you on the circle, even though I think you guys got it. As long as I do my best to go straight across here, it's going to be pretty close. And then I got to shade in half. It says shade and label. So taking this one, doing my best to shade it in. Using your regular pencil, that's fine. Remember, I'm using my marker so you can see a little better. Okay, so how many pieces do I have? 2. How many did I shade in? 1. So 1/2, right? This is my 1/2 right here that I shaded in. Remember, we got nothing on the back today. So that one, nice, quick. We got it done. 3 questions. You guys knocked this out. Only a few minutes homework. All right. I hope that helped. I'm Mr. Short. This was Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 3, Lesson 10, on page 67. I hope this helped, and I hope you have a good night.